Supervised learning delivers high accuracy but demands expensive, human-labeled data. Unsupervised learning processes raw data but lacks clear direction. Enter the golden middle ground, techniques that unlock the power of vast, unlabeled datasets with minimal human effort. Semi-supervised learning bridges this gap. By starting with a tiny handful of labeled examples, like a few categorized images, and a mountain of unlabeled ones, the model maps their relationships. It propagates labels to similar unlabeled neighbors, turning a small spark of guidance into a massive training set. But what if we have zero labels? Self-supervised learning solves this by playing a game of hide-and-seek with itself. It takes unlabeled data, hides or masks a portion of it, and challenges itself to predict the missing piece. The original, unmasked data serves as the perfect, built-in ground truth. This self-supervised masking trick is the secret engine behind modern AI, including giant language models and vision systems. By learning the structure of the world from raw, uncurated data first, these models build a powerful foundation before final tuning.